Welcome back to Health Forward. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all: sleep, or more specifically, the lack of it, and its profound impact on our heart health. Recent research is painting a clearer picture than ever before. Even short periods of insufficient sleep can trigger molecular changes, significantly elevating our risk of heart problems. It's not just about feeling tired, it's about what's happening inside our bodies at a protein level. One of the key takeaways from new studies is how sleep deprivation messes with specific blood biomarkers. Imagine this. Just a few nights of poor sleep can cause an increase in pro-inflammatory proteins in your blood. These are the troublemakers linked to heart failure and coronary artery disease. They contribute to issues like endothelial dysfunction, the formation of arterial plaques, and increased stress on your heart muscle. Essentially, even temporary sleep loss can start a cascade of early vascular changes, potentially setting the stage for long-term cardiovascular trouble. And here's something that really stands out. These molecular shifts aren't just seen in older or at-risk individuals. They've been observed in young, healthy people too. This tells us that consistent, healthy sleep is a fundamental biological need, right from an early age. Beyond inflammation, sleep deprivation throws our body's internal molecular clock, our circadian rhythm, into disarray. This disruption can lead to cellular stress responses, including something called endoplasmic reticulum stress and even programmed cell death. These processes can impair cardiac function and further activate those inflammatory cascades we talked about, adding to cardiovascular risk. Then there's the autonomic nervous system, which controls vital functions like your heart rate and blood pressure. Sleep deprivation can cause an imbalance here, often leading to increased sympathetic nervous system activity. Think of it as your body's fight or flight system being stuck in overdrive. This results in an elevated heart rate, higher blood pressure, and an increased tendency for blood platelets to clump together, all bad news for your heart. Now, what about exercise? Many of us try to compensate for poor sleep with a good workout. While exercise does offer some cardiovascular protection even when sleep is compromised, research suggests that exercising when sleep deprived might put extra strain on your heart's muscle cells. It seems physical activity can mitigate some negative effects, but it absolutely cannot replace the essential restorative power of sleep. The good news in all this is the potential for early intervention. The changes in circulating proteins and microRNAs seen after sleep deprivation are now being explored as early predictive biomarkers for cardiovascular disease. If we can track these molecular flags, healthcare providers could intervene much earlier, possibly before heart disease fully develops. This opens up exciting possibilities for personalized diagnostics and treatments. In summary, the science is clear. Sleep insufficiency isn't just a lifestyle inconvenience, it's a potent biological risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Even short-term sleep loss can trigger harmful inflammatory responses, disrupt our internal rhythms, and negatively impact our nervous system, all increasing our risk of heart problems. Prioritizing sleep isn't a luxury, it's a cornerstone of lifelong cardiovascular health. That's all for today's Health Forward. Sleep well.